Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in granite and it looks great. You got that chrome accenting on the grille there with the Dodge logo. It does come with halogen quad headlamps right there, and they are incredibly bright. Now coming around the side we do have 17-inch rims with Yokohama brand tires, and they look great. There's still lots of tread left on them. You will be good for a while. Now it does also have the heated exterior mirrors right there, which will help you get going a little bit faster if it was frosty. Now coming around the back here we do have the Grand Caravan logo there, the Dodge logo up there, and the SXT logo hanging out right there. Now we can open this guy up. There's a button right there as long as it's unlocked. You do have your backup camera hanging out here. Open that guy up. Now there's lots of room back here. It is very soft as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. You do have some extra storage here, and these are stow and go seats as well, so all you gotta do is follow the instructions. So you pull number 1, folds that down. Number 2 is just here. Number 3 is here. And number 4 is this guy right here. So you just folds down just like that, and then you do have even more room. You can do that with the other side, and you can do that with the front ones, and you just have tons and tons of room and lots and lots of storage. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have our panic button there. But let's unlock and jump on in. Now on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, as well as this guy here does kind of open up the back windows. And this one does open up these windows right here, which is really nice. Not all vans do that. So you do have the chrome accenting here. You have a handle here, some storage down here, and some more down here with a water bottle holder. And it is very spacious, very nice seats as well. They are cloth. They feel very soft and they're very comfortable to sit on. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so you have your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And this guy right here is the control over your turning signals, your high beams, and your windshield wipers. Okay, let's start with the vehicle. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now in the center there we do also have what gear we're in and how many kilometers, which is only 1,431, which is pretty much nothing. It does tell us also what gear we're in, and we can change that to our trip A and our trip B, as well as our distance till empty, our kilometers, our liters per 100 kilometers, as well as the temperature outside, and there's just our kilometers back there. Now we do have that all controlled right from here from our steering wheel, as well as our voice recognition and our call out button for our Bluetooth. You also have your horn in the middle, and then you also have your cruise control options on the other side there. Around the back of the steering wheel right here we have volume up and down, as well as we have another one on the other side for our channel. This guy here is our gear shift, just like that. And when we are in reverse, we do have our backup camera, which is very useful. Now while we're over here, we do have a 6.5-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you got your voice recognition there, and you can talk to it and whatnot. So you also have your call-out button there. You got your radio. You have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You got your media tab here if you have something hooked up through a disc, through your Bluetooth, your aux cord, or through USB. Plus you do have a hard disk drive built in, so you can load music straight onto here as well. Then you also have your volume up and down with your push on and off. Then this button here is how you load in CDs, so it comes down all sci-fi like, and you can load CDs right into there. Put that back up. You got your menu just over here. You have your audio, you got your files, and then you have your USB under here and your aux cord there. Now down here we do have our climate control, so we have where it's going to blow out of. We have a dual climate system, so you and your passenger can have different levels of heat or cold. You have how hard it's going to blow out, plus your circulation. And then you have over here also your defrosts and whatnot. And then you got your rear climate control here. Your econ mode. You also have your hazard lights. You can turn the power on. And then you also have your traction control there. Got some storage down here, as well as some cup holders here. Even more storage down there with some plugins. And then you got some headphones for the screen in the back. And you got some more cup holders hanging out there with some storage underneath. You also have 2 glove boxes. The bottom one is locking, which is super nice as well. Up top here we do have our sunglass holder, as well as we have some lights right there. Okay, let's open up the back here. Lots and lots of room back here. It does seat 7 all together. You do have those seats back there with the cup holders. It is the same material as the rest of the vehicle. As well, you do have your player, as I said, right here. So you can watch movies on there or whatever you might want to do. You also have their climate control back here. And they are stow and go seats as well. So all you gotta do is you gotta pull this right here and lift this up. Just like that. Then there is this hatch. Pull that like that. And it flips up and around. And then lays flat, just like that. Even more room. You can hold all sorts of different stuff. You can do it with the other side. You can do it with all of them at the same time. And you got lots and lots of storage. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.